Which company on 15 August 2020 was ordered to sell all of its assets in the United States within 90 days? WeChat, Lenovo, TikTok, Samsung. The right answer is TikTok. Which country on 19 July 2020 launched its first mission to Mars? India, Malaysia, Iran, UAE. The correct answer is UAE. Google has recently announced to invest in India $5 billion, $10 billion, $15 billion, $20 billion. The right answer is $10 billion. Which country on 17 June 2020 launched Operation Claw Tiger against Kurdish militants in Iraq? Iran, Turkey, Israel, United States. The right answer is Turkey. Currently, about how much world's goods trade by volume is carried on ships? 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%. The right answer is 80%. In which USA state there was a massive wildfire in 2019? Arizona, Florida, Texas, California. The right answer is California. The headquarters of Human Rights Watch is located in Washington, New York, Berlin, Brussels. The correct answer is New York. Which country is the largest producer of oil? Saudi Arabia, China, Russia, Venezuela. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Which country has the largest reserves of gas? Saudi Arabia, Iran, Russia, Qatar. The right answer is Russia. Which country is the largest producer of gas? Saudi Arabia, Iran, Russia, Qatar. The right answer is Russia. Recently, how much area of bush, forest and parks was burned in massive bushfires across Australia? 80,000 square kilometer, 90,000 square kilometer, 1 lakh square kilometer, 1 lakh 10,000 square kilometer. The right answer is 1 lakh 10,000 square kilometer. Which country has the largest reserves of oil? United States, China, Russia, Venezuela. The right answer is Venezuela. In which country it is mandatory for all male citizens aged 18 to 27 to serve 1 year in armed forces? America, Canada, Russia, Israel. The right answer is Russia. Which country is the world's top supplier of weapons? America, Russia, Israel, Germany. The common answer is Russia. Which from the following countries is not the member of BRICS? United States, Russia, China, and India. The right answer is United States. Forbes magazine named the world's most powerful person of 2019. Vladimir Putin, Donald Trump, Greta Thunberg, Xi Jinping. The right answer is Greta Thunberg. On 27 February 2019, Indian warplane was shot down by Air Force, Bangladeshi, Chinese, Turkish, Pakistani. Indian warplane was shot down by Pakistani Air Force. Greta Thunberg is an environmental activist on climate change. American, Swedish, Russian, Norwegian. The right answer is Swedish. The current Secretary of State of the United States is Rex Tillerson, Joe Biden, John Kerry, Mike Pompeo. The correct answer is Mike Pompeo. The current Vice President of the United States is John Kerry, Mike Pence, Joe Biden, James F. Dobbins. The right answer is Mike Pence. Line of Actual Control LAC is a disputed borderline between China and India, China and Pakistan, India and Pakistan, China, India and Nepal. A option, China and India. Which country on 24 June 2020 suspended visas including high-skilled tech workers visas for foreign workers? Sweden, Germany, United States, United Kingdom. Option C, United States. After 2 years with 2,280 deaths, Ebola was finally declared over on 25 June 2020 in Kenya, Niger, Nigeria, DR Congo. Option D, DR Congo. US President Donald Trump on 15 April 2020 halted funding to WTO, WHO, COBA, Nigeria. Option B, WHO. The Paris Agreement of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change is to limit global warming well below 1 degree Celsius, 1.5 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 2.5 degrees Celsius. Option C, 2 degrees Celsius. Aksai Chin is a disputed area between China and India, China and Pakistan, India and Pakistan, India and Nepal. Option A, China and India. Who is current Secretary General of the United Nations? Javier Perez de Cuellar, Kofi Annan, Ban Ki-moon, Antonio Guterres. Option D, Antonio Guterres. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change deals with reduction in fossil fuel usage, CO2 emissions mitigation, reduction in uranium production, greenhouse gases emissions mitigation. Option D, greenhouse gases emissions mitigation. In which country now military personnel can also contest elections? Myanmar, Egypt, Hong Kong, China. Option B, Egypt. Which country has withdrawn from UN's World Health Organization WHO on 8 July 2020? China, Russia, United States, United Kingdom. Option C, United States. Which country on 14 July 2020 has banned China's Huawei 5G equipment? India, Malaysia, United Kingdom, United States. Option C, United Kingdom. The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted in China, France and Germany, Brazil and Argentina, Canada, Mexico and United States. The right answer is Canada, Mexico and United States. Currently, which South American country is facing hyperinflation, currency devaluation and shortage of food problem? Colombia, Venezuela, Paraguay, Uruguay. The right answer is Venezuela. Currently, which company is working on a satellite system through which the company's devices will receive direct internet from the satellite? Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Google. The correct answer is Apple. The headquarters of Apple, known as Apple Park, is located in New York, Washington, California, Toronto. The right answer is California. The 2020 Olympics, Tokyo Olympics, are postponed and now will be hosted in 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. The right answer is 2021. The opening match in FIFA World Cup 2018 was between Russia and Argentina, Germany, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. The right answer is Saudi Arabia. The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in Argentina, Germany, Qatar, Russia. The right answer is Qatar. The Best FIFA Football Awards 2019 Men was won by Luka Modric, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldinho. The right answer is Lionel Messi. The 2019 Nobel Prize in Literature was won by Alice Munro, Kazuo Ishiguro, Bob Dylan, Peter Handke. The right answer is Peter Handke. The Best FIFA Football Awards 2019 Women was won by Marta, Melanie Behringer, Megan Rapinoe, Jennifer Morrison. Which component of the body works as an energy storage device? Fats, proteins, liver, skin. The right answer is fats. What divides the earth into the northern and the southern hemispheres? Axis of rotation, equator, north pole, south pole. The right answer is equator. Ozone protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun. The chemical formula of ozone is O, O2, O3, O4. The correct answer is O3. Human body is about dash percent water by weight. 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%. The right answer is 60% water by weight. Who won the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of the law of photoelectric effect? Wilhelm Röntgen, Ernest Rutherford, Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton. The right answer is Albert Einstein.
HTML is an abbreviation of HTML किसका मुखफ़िफ़ है? High Tech Meaningful Language, Hypertext Meaningful Language, High Tech Markup Language, Hypertext Markup Language. The right answer is Hypertext Markup Language. Dash is the device from where the information is sent. Transmitter, spreadsheet, simulation, modulation. The correct answer is transmitter. Dash is a mathematical model of a real system in the form of a computer program. Transmitter, spreadsheet, simulation, modulation. सही जवाब simulation. LAN is an abbreviation of Large Access Network, Local Access Network, Large Area Network, Local Area Network. The correct answer is Local Area Network. Which from the following do not represent numbers with decimal places? Integer, float, double, long double. The correct answer is integer. Which of the following is not a current asset? Cash, equipment, inventory, trade receivables. The right answer is equipment. In accounting and finance, the goods which are purchased for the purpose of resale are known as inventory, purchases, merchandise, traded goods. The correct answer is inventory.
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam belonged to which family? Hashmi, Quraishi, Makki, Madni. Durust jawab Hashmi. In the beginning, to which Arab tribe Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam worked as a shepherd? Banu Saad, Banu Asad, Banu Umayyah, Banu Makhzum. The right answer is Banu Saad. Which prophet is called the father of Muslims? Prophet Adam alayhi salam, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, Prophet Ismail alayhi salam, Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. The right answer is Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Which prophet was able to talk with animals and jinns? Prophet Adam alayhi salam, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, Prophet Daniel alayhi salam. The right answer is Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. In the sacrilegious wars, when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam was 20 years of age, Quraysh and their allies were led by Abu Jahl, Abu Lahab, Umayyah bin Khalaf, Harab bin Umayyah. The right answer is Harab bin Umayyah. The holy book Zabur was revealed by Allah to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, Prophet Dawud alayhi salam, Prophet Musa alayhi salam, Prophet Isa alayhi salam. The right answer is Prophet Dawud alayhi salam. The holy book Injil was revealed by Allah to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, Prophet Dawud alayhi salam, Prophet Musa alayhi salam, Prophet Isa alayhi salam. The right answer is Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Which companion of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam was awarded with the title of the Sword of Allah? Abu Bakr Siddiq, Umar Farooq raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, Ali al-Murtaza raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, Khalid bin Walid raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. The right answer is Khalid bin Walid raziyallahu ta'ala anhu. What was the name of Imam Bukhari raziyallahu ta'ala anhu? Muhammad bin Ismail, Muhammad Ismail, Muhammad Ibrahim, Ismail bin Ibrahim. The right answer is Muhammad bin Ismail. As people grow older, the dash of learning declines. Speed, power, quality, quantity. The right answer is speed. Which from the following should be used to increase correct responses and appropriate behavior by students? Praise, reward, ignorance, strictness. The right answer is praise. Which from the following should be used to decrease minor inappropriate behavior by students? Praise, reward, ignorance, strictness. The right answer is ignorance. The book Email are on education, on the nature of education and man is written by Aristotle, Plato, John Dewey, Rousseau. The right answer is Rousseau. According to Email, the noblest work in education is to make a good citizen, reasoning man, thinker, entrepreneur. The right answer is reasoning man. How many bytes are occupied by the data type long double in a 32-bit system? 4, 6, 8, 10. The right answer is 10. In C++, the library function exit into causes an exit from the statement, loop in which it occurs, function in which it occurs, program in which it occurs. The right answer is program in which it occurs. In C++, a function name must be followed by braces, parenthesis, statement, variable name. सही जवाब है parenthesis. Which programming language is widely used for machine learning? R, C++, MATLAB, Python. The right answer is Python. The main function of a web server is to store and process internet, websites, database, programs. सही जवाब websites. In the internet world, the communication between client and web server takes place using the script, URL, HTML, HTTP. The right answer is HTTP. Dash is the partial or complete wasting away of a part of a body. Atrophy, leprosy, tetanus, noma. The right answer is atrophy. Which of the following statements is true about drug Imodium? Slows the rate at which the stomach and oesophagus move. Encourages water and electrolytes reabsorption. Decrease density of stools. None of these. The right answer is encourages water and electrolytes reabsorption. Effects of having thiamine deficiency are muscle weakness, central nervous system and cardiovascular problems, heart disease and beriberi disease. All of these. The right answer is all of these. When the cardiac output decreased, on standing up, on cutting the vagus nerves to the heart, as a consequence of decreased pressure in the carotid sinus by increasing the end diastolic volume of the heart. The right answer is on standing up.
Name of a bacterial disease with oral manifestations is measles, chickenpox, beriberi, diphtheria. The right answer is diphtheria. In which of the following disorders multinucleated giant cells are least likely to be found? Streptococcus pneumonia, sarcoidosis, blastmycosis, autism. The right answer is Streptococcus pneumonia. Painless oral ulcers are associated with primary herpes, primary syphilis, secondary herpes, secondary syphilis. The right answer is primary syphilis. Rigidity of facial muscles, rictus green is associated with leprosy, tetany, tetanus, astenomyces. The right answer is tetanus. Noma is the name of complications of the infection. Vincent angina, beriberi, tooth infection, none of these. The right answer is Vincent angina.
According to the efficient market hypothesis, which from the following is not true? Analysis predicts price pattern, no money machines, no arbitrage opportunities, security prices reflect true underlying value of assets. The right answer is analysis predicts price pattern. According to the weak form of market efficiency, dash past information is included in the stock price. No, all, marginal, only a few. The right answer is all. We say about a particular investment that is risky because it is dangerous, it has low returns, its returns are uncertain, its raw material is unavailable. The right answer is its returns are uncertain. In finance, risk is calculated by calculating the mean, variance, standard deviation, kurtosis. The right answer is standard deviation. The sale of bonds by a country or a corporation is referred to as the investment decision, financing decision, offering loan, capital structure. The right answer is financing decision. The main source of generally accepted accounting principles GAAP is company law, accounting standards, both A and B, none of these. The right answer is both A and B. What standards are used to prepare financial statements by most of the countries and companies? International Financial Reporting Standards, International Financial Accounting Standards, International Accounting and Auditing Standards, International Risk Reporting Standards. The right answer is International Financial Reporting Standards. The correct form of accounting equation is assets plus liabilities is equal to equity, assets minus liabilities is equal to equity, assets minus receivable is equal to equity, assets plus receivable is equal to equity. The right answer is assets minus liabilities is equal to equity. A company sold goods worth $5,000 on 5 June and $10,000 on 28 June. The company received the first payment on 25 June and second on 7 July. The company prepared the financial statement on 30 June. What would be the total sale on the financial statement? $0, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. The right answer is $15,000. Advance payments are recognized as receivable, payable, bad debt, none of these. The right answer is receivable. Which from the following is not an example of intangible assets? Trademarks, patents, buildings, technical expertise. The right answer is buildings. The following are the examples of financial assets except stocks, bank loan, bond, raw material. सही जवाब है raw material. The sale of financial assets is also referred to as the capital decision, CFO decision,
financing decision, investment decision. The right answer is financing decision. The construction of new manufacturing plant is also referred to as the capital decision, CFO decision, financing decision, investment decision. The correct answer is investment decision.